Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Beats Solo 3 only one side not working. To fix Beats Solo 3 headphone when only one side is working, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to ensure the problem is not with your audio device. Test the headphone with another device. After that, look for any visible damage on the headphone, especially around the ear cup and the cable if wired. Then you have to try to reset the headphone, hold down the power button and the volume down button together for 10 seconds. Then you have to release the button when the LED indicator lights flashes. After that you have to, if you are using wired mode, ensure the 3.5 mm audio cable is securely plugged in. Try using a different audio cable if available. You can try to clean the headphone, gently clean the audio jack and the ear cup with a dry cloth to remove any dirt or derbies. You can also try to update firmware. Connect your Beat Solo 3 to your computer. Use the Beat Updater software to check for any update and install any available firmware update. Hopefully these methods help you to fix your Beat Solo 3 only one side is working. And if you want to buy the product, I'll give you the link in the description. Hopefully this video help you to fix the Beat Solo 3 only one side is working. And if you want to buy the product, I'll give you the link in the description. Hopefully this video help you. Thanks for watching.